they have the BP machines, they have the commodities with them, they are ready. We have community units, and each community unit has 10 community health promoters. And each community health promoter is responsible to 100 households from a community where they are well known. So they will be able to get that community person who has any sugars which are increasing or the high pressures, and through them we have a form where they refer the community people. Once they screen them, they find that they have the high sugars and the blood pressure. There is a form. They link them to the nearby health facility. From the facility, they are seen by our clinicians. If they can't be managed in our dispensaries, they are referred to our level 3s. From the level 3, if the case can't be managed there still, we have our level 4, which is at committee. We also have our nearby at Kanguro sub-count. Then if the system, they can't be managed in our level 4s, they are being referred to the more specialized care at Machakos level 5. So we have a working system at the county level.
Partnering with the Ministry of Health and the Machakos County and the Matungu sub-county to come back to help the community in this area, because when you see the number of the clients we have screened about the hypertension and the diabetes, some have high blood pressures and sugars, which needs to be controlled.
We were doing health education. We were doing screening of NCDs and then referrals. So the main objective today here, basically what I can say is, we want to inform people the importance of going for check-up.
Nashukuru Mungu kwa kliniki ya Koloni ile imeona leo watutembelee, watu wa Tala, watupime. Tunasema ni asante kwa vile mmejitoa na kuja kwenye hii soko.